The owner is here. Come. Take a picture, please. So let me take you around your home. This is a breathtaking masterpiece, boasting top-of-the-line finishes and cutting-edge smart technologies. Come with me, let's take a tour. Welcome to this stunning 5-bedroom exclusive estate in Chevron. As we approach the entrance, notice the sleek video doorbell and smart lock system. Step inside and be greeted by this bright and open, airy living room, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Hey Google, turn on lights. Mesmerizing view. I'm glad to have shown you a glimpse of your dream home, and I can't wait for you to have unbelievable memories here. Thank you for taking this journey with me. To schedule a viewing, call the number scrolling on your screen. I remain Mr. Property. Boom, bam.